Happy Father's Day, neighbor.
Hey, happy Father's Day.
You see, this is what my daughter give me for Father's Day.
Looks quite good on you though.
Then your daughter, what she give you?
iPhone cases and koi card.
You got use iPhone one meh? I thought you use Samsung phone one. Then you got drink koi one meh?
Exactly, I also don't drink koi. Don't know what she thinking.
I think your daughter trying to hint you leh. I think she want to have a new phone. Ask you to buy her a new phone. Then she want you to help her top out the koi card.
Maybe, huh?
How like that we swap gift You take this outfit, then I take this gift. I got use iPhone, I got drink koi one.
Sounds like a good idea.
2,000 years later.
Hey bro, what do you think? My outfit?
Nice, handsome.
Right. I think I wear like that to Father's Day dinner. My daughter confirm like it.
Confirm
Hey, so this one give you lah as
Okay,
promised. Yeah.
can, no problem.
Hey, why push me out? What's this? How to go for Father's Day dinner?
Don't worry my house got you home.
U-Home's automated smart laundry system seamlessly enhances lifestyles with purposefully engineered advanced appliances. It ensures reliability and peace of mind through safety features and rigorous testing, prioritizing your well-being.
Wow, not bad. Can really drive before by dinner.